everyone, this is me TausiaAnha. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video and this is my first YouTube channel, Beautification by Anha. So I'm very excited to start my new journey with you. एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ आप लोगों के साथ एक बहुत बड़ी फैमिली बनाने के लिए. सो आई होप यू गाइस, मुझे आप लोग का बहुत सारा प्यार और सपोर्ट मिलने वाला है. आई रियली होप कि आप लोग मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार करने वाले हो. बट द चैनल बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन फैशन, स्टाइल, ब्यूटी, DIYs and makeup, makeover, product review and makeup tutorial, health, fitness, beauty, skincare, healthcare, hair care, motivational video and vlogs and many other things. So do subscribe my channel for instant update. I'll be come with a new video very soon. So please stay tuned for that and I hope you will like it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please show me your love and support. Thank you. Bye bye.